Is an actual question from the EA GMAT test. Stop the video and read the problem and ask yourself, what are you trying to find? We're trying to figure out what y is. Okay, if y is the smallest positive integer such that 3,150 multiplied by y is the square of an integer. So I get that equation. So the number on the left-hand side, 3150 times y, has got to be a perfect square. Let's take the square root of both sides. We'll write it like this. So I know that 3150 times y has got to be a perfect square. This is a prime factorization problem. So go on the side of your paper and find the prime factorization of 3,150. Well, I know that's 315 times 10, and that's going to be 5 times 63, and 10 is 5 times 2. Bring the 5 down, 63, 9 times 7, 3 squared times 7. Bring down the 5, bring down the 2. So this prime factorization is 2, 3 squared, 5 squared, and a 7. So let's substitute that over here. I get 2, 3 squared, 5 squared, 7 times y. We need the left-hand side to be a perfect square. Can you take the square root of 3 squared? Yes, it would be 9. Can you take the square root of 5 squared? Yes, that would be 5. Can you take the square root of 2? No. Can you take the square root of 7? No. What do you wish that 2 was? I wish the 2 was a 2 squared. I wish the 7 was a 7 squared. So what I'm saying is, I'm going to bring this down, 3 squared, 5 squared, 7. I would like for that y to be another 2 and another 7. Because then I would have 2 squared, 3 squared, 5 squared, 7 squared. So what would I like y to be? Whatever 2 times 7 is, 14.